Hi, everybody, and welcome to an introduction to Without the Right Adapters. A force calibration technician is nothing short of being called a miracle worker. This is one of the most important topics in regards to force measurement. As you may think you have a device with a known accuracy, maybe it's 0.1% of full scale, maybe it's 0.1% of indicated value, and you get everything right. The calibration lab adjusts your equipment, does everything the way you think they should do it, and then you find that you have an inherent error from not using one of the right adapters or right top block of 0.3% or a pin error of 1.72%. So this paper was one that was selected as one of the best papers at NCSLI. It did not win best in, it won best in its category. It did not win best overall, but it's just a paper it's so important for those that are making force measurements to discuss what adapters to use, how to use them. Just a really good guidance document, shows the errors, shows about washer and button load cells, what you can do, a 525% increase in the, repeatability. It got 525 times better, 525% better by using this proper adapter, and the standard deviation improves. So there's on tension links, the wrong pin size on a 0.1% device produced an error of 1.72%. And just go through and read everything. Truck scales, using it's so important to replicate the tire. Just everything in here is good for people to read and learn. There's a adapter for multi-axis, but really, without the right adapters, it's like giving a surgeon a serrated knife to operate on you. You wouldn't want that. So if you're making force measurements, you're going to want to use the right adapters. This paper defines them and shows you what you need to do.